Tumabla ulit ang Binyan sa serye, nilumpo ang Quezon sa Game 4, nasa Binyan na ngayon ng momentum. Controversial ang play na to, walang tawag mula sa referee at patuloy naman ang pagdomina ni Pinoy Sakuragi Mark Pingri sa paint. Nagbabalik sa lineup si Poy Poy Aktu, bumanat agad ng air putback at bumlangka ng mala volleyball spike kay Tagle sabay stare down. Ang kaso nabawian din, tinirahan sa mukha ng tres ni Tagle, tanggal agad ang angas. Dikit na naman ang laban, muntik nang mag-choke ang Binyan, ang daming crucial turnovers. Shoutout na rin sa mga nag-like, comment and share ng ating video. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Quezon Huskers.
Bonifacio sends it outside. Raimundo knocks down a start by Pingris. LJ drives, pocket pass. Hindi na salo ng maayos, pero the recovery of defense, the rejection from Roca Curva. And in transition, Lastimo sa score.
Ganda ng tulong sa depensa. Ito, kikabahin na naman sila. Late ang rotation.
Left in the first quarter. Bonifacio high, arcing three. It will bounce out. He gets another crack at it. And this time,
Ay, si Warren Bonifacio lang, hinahayaan niya.
oh! Punta kay Carlo Lastimosa, laban kay LJ Gonzalez. Bonifacio, no hesitation. Corner. Abundo having trouble. Shot no good, but the follow.
Mga bataan ni Coach Boyet.
JJ Pino straight to the cup. Tagle erasing that Aktub attempt.
Oh, wow.
But the follow-up by Poy Poy Aktub. Gozom is now in for Quezon. Altamsi, the finger roll. Bam Lopez able to shake off Altamsi. It's left on the shot clock of the Huskers. Oh my goodness!
Sa loob ng paint. Yan na yun eh. Dalawang player ang sumabay. And this, laban din eh, no?
Siyempre, pedista yan eh.
Oo naman.
Ito, actually, Binyan has yet to make one. Steal though by Joshua Yero. Sidestep, lays it up and in. Still up by 10 against Quezon. Sa poste, Abundo fading away.
Adjustments in terms of efficiency, speaking of the Huskers.
Takalusot, si Roca Curva.
Samantalang ito namang Quezon, gustong manumbalik dun sa National Finals and Ploy nitong Binyan.
13 puntos ang lamang. Fuentes drains the jumper, but
Mahirap. Nalalakas rin ang katawan nito sa ibaba eh. Wow.
third triple.
Yung, nawala sa laro ito si LJ Gonzalez. Kung gaano
Throws it away. Gonzalez. Tamsi straight away free. It's good. Approaching the halfway point of the third. Gonzalez step back jumper. Book it from free. Magbuhos though. Charging at Jmar Gimpayan, who hits the deck.
Play that they have as organized as ever. They continue this down or up in terms of the score.
Fits. Pagaran. Crossover dribble. Drives baseline. Lays it up and in. Count it. Drew Ramos.
wow.
Offensive rebound off that Pagaran. Miss from the
This kind of action. May libreng tres sa kabila, ipapasa mo.
Pam Lopez. Kapanal. Susugod. Bumps Mike Maestre but fails to convert. Put back though.
They are taking the shot when it reaches roughly.
Gonzalez nakabuelo. That's too easy for RJ Minerva. Abundo. Here come the Quezon Huskers.
Doon sila magsisimulang umatake.
Another shot. Oh my goodness.
Hindi ko na muna siya idol ngayon. Saka na ulit. Ping said, abangan nyo ang dalawang yan. Talagang malayo ang mararating. Yan, Coach Mike.
Right on cue, Mika. Mark Pingris. Not returned since. Oh, Roca Curva with an acrobat. Lastim Mimosa puts it on the deck. Runner by Carlo off the glass and in.
Has a double-digit rebound performance.
LJ knocks down a free.
The Huskers, but dahil sa magandang pagtimo ni Pamboy, ito naging resulta para sa Binyan. Oh, wow! Pamboy.
LJ loves it up. Will Gozov scores underneath. Forma, they have to cross the timeline. Intercepted by Campanal. Swing pass, Gonzalez, the fake, the drive, lays it up and in. Lead. 13 seconds left. LJ pulls up, long three-pointer, too strong. Tip in is good. Enzo needs to foul. Time not on their side, and they do foul JJ Pido.
Yes. There you go.
And he does. LJ will trigger it in.
There's that pin in. That's the
Altapsi.
shot.
Oh! He misses! And that's gonna do it. Warren Bonifacio flirting with disaster.